Hey you, are you constantly on your phone using a lot of apps every single day, but you're not getting paid to use these apps? Well, you're going to love this because today I'm going to show you how you can get paid real cash from 2 apps. So please stay tuned and get ready to get paid. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Okay, family, I'm at the first app, and the name of this app is EarnHorse. So I'm at their website right now. So it says here, take surveys, get paid in cash. Same day payment up to $25 per survey. And you need PayPal or Venmo to cash out. And all you have to do, guys, to sign up is put in your zip code, and you'll be able to create an account real fast. Now, here's the steps you need to take. So step 1, create a free account. Step 2, complete surveys. And step 3, receive your payment. Now, here's some reviews that were on Trustpilot. So Trustpilot is a website where people go and rate the websites they have used. And as you can see, it's a lot of different reviews on here. So you can come here and check it out for yourself. Now, trending paid surveys. So they got all different type of surveys that you'd probably be interested in. So this one, automated survey. And then you got restaurant survey, smartphone survey, TV series pilot survey, grocery shopping survey, U.S. presidential survey. So they got a lot of different type of surveys on here that might spark your interest, guys. So you're not going to be taking no boring surveys. It's going to be surveys that you're probably interested in. Now let's look at the frequently asked questions. Let's look at this question right here. It says, is this real? Because a lot of people ask about these type of websites if it's real or not. So do you really pay people just for taking online surveys? So the answer is yes. Paid online surveys are real, and we will connect you with them and pay you for your time completing them. So they say that they are real, guys, and you will find out once you sign up with this website. Now, does any of this cost money? And they say it's completely free. All you got to do is just sign up and start answering the questions and get paid. So where do these paid surveys come from? Market research companies commission these surveys to help businesses better understand their customers and what they think. Now, guys, that's all the frequently asked questions I'm going to read. You can come here and read the rest for yourself to find out a little bit more. So to get started, just go to this website, EarnHorse.com, and sign up, or you can go on Google Play and download their app. Now let me go to the second app. Okay, family, I'm at the second app. The name of this app is Panda Research. So on here, you're going to complete paid offers and market research for cash. So earn money by successfully completing our paid surveys and offer. So yes, this is another paid survey website, but it's one of the best, guys. Learn how you can receive coupons, discounts, and giveaways with your participation. Refer your friends and earn additional income. Earn additional income by reading emails. Maximum $25 per payout. And get paid by the 1st and 15th every month through PayPal. Now this one, guys, it takes a little bit longer for you can get paid. You will get paid twice a month. You need to have a PayPal for this account too to cash out. So all you got to do is just click right here to sign up. So it's a easy process and easy steps. So you just sign up, complete the offers, and you get paid. A lot of members have earned 2,215,709. So here's some testimonies. I'm not going to read them. Once you come on here, you can read the testimonies yourself. So how it works, let's just go over it right quick. So you're going to take paid surveys based on your demographics. And number 2, you're going to redeem your earnings through PayPal. So once you have requested your payment, you will receive your payment through PayPal on either the 1st or the 15th of each month. So why sign up with Panda Research? So they have cash payments, they have data privacy, they have a support team, and you can use any device. All right, guys, so that's it. That's all I'm going to say about this website. So you can come here and sign up, or you can just go to Google Play and download the app. Again, the name of the site is Panda Research. Thank you guys for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please hit that like button, drop a comment down below, share this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I make videos like this every other day. That's it, guys. Road to 8,000. Let's go. Let's get it. On that note, get your grind on because the grind is real. Please go watch these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.